Good morning. Day 4 of our trip to the south of France, staying in Nice for a week. And I've been up for a few minutes, so once I've had my coffee, I'm going for a morning dip. Just a little cool off, you know. Best way to start the day. Okay, now breakfast. And for breakfast, a croissant, some jambon, and some fromage. Dream combo. Right, day bag packed. And we're heading into the old town of Nice for a day by the beach. A day of sun, sea, and shopping. About as close to heaven on earth as you will find. But now we've got the age-old question that needs to answer, and it's a difficult one. Wine or swim? Which one do we do first? I love how you didn't even ask me, you just knew. Don't do that to me. Oh yeah, I will have some pineapple. Pineapple or wine, what a Congo. It's the best bit of pineapple I think I've ever had. Yeah, and see the price of the bottle of wine, Liam? €6.
$7.80 I think these were.
Alright, so that's 2 pints in that pub yesterday, isn't it? For one. No, 2 bottles of wine for 1 pint.
Less.
Yeah.
£16.
Yeah.
£19.50 for a pint.
19.50. I just can't believe it. Anyway. Cheers to you. Liam, cheers to you. Cheers. Joanna, cheers. Cheers, Joe. I know you don't have one, but cheers. We've been sunbathing, swimming and chilling and drinking rosé. In fact, by the way, once again I did not buy prescription shades, so I've doubled up. I've got my normal glasses that I've been having on with the shades, if I can get them on. There we go. That's been my vibe. Doubled up. I'll lose those because I'm talking to you. We've been sat here for a couple of hours just chilling in the sun. Joe's going to go and get us some lunch now. Liam and Joanna are swimming. I'll show you them in a second. It's a vibe. I love the south of France. There's Liam and Joanna. There they are. I'm waving at them. They're not looking. No, I'm waving. See that? Nothingness is not a word that exists normally for me. I don't know if it is a word, but I'm making it a word. It's a nothingness. That's how it's been this trip. Just chilling. And what a place. Honestly, I think the south of France is my favourite place in the world. I'm just going to say it. I mean, look at it. Absolutely picturesque, beautiful. Everybody's chilling, everybody's relaxing, and I'm among them. And Joe's going to get me a sandwich, so the day is about to get even better. By the way, I didn't tell you this yet, but somewhere on this beach, somewhere up there, I think, is my wedding ring. 7 years ago on this beach, I went for a swim in this very ocean right here, came out, sunbathed for a couple of hours like most of these people are doing, looked down at my hand, wedding ring was gone. So, somewhere on this beach, my wedding ring still is, although the truth is, it's probably been found by one of those guys with a metal detector by now. It was 7 years ago. But the plus was, I managed to get another one in Nice. So this is from this very city, my wedding ring. Although the original one, who knows? This is a model husband here that is going over with her shoes because Nice is a pebbly beach and it's very, very sore on the feet. As I'm about to find out, because I'm going to go for a dip and I've not brought beach shoes with me. I'm going to be doing it on the... Ah, he was being a good husband, you are. I'm not going to be taking my phone in with me because as you'll see, there's a bit of a... In fact, I'll show you. A bit of a... like a dip down there to get into the sea. Not dignified getting back up or getting back down, so I'm going to leave the phone with Liam.
It's really not graceful walk to and from the sea. And this gets even worse, guys. You go down that horrible slope. Swing them arms at heart. I think it's going to fly. There you go. Did an early dive. Makes sense.
There he is. It's the Heineken man. This guy here. It's the Heineken guy. He was here when we did our honeymoon 7 years ago. I'm sure it's the same guy. He's got the same voice. No, Joe, it is. No, Joe, I recognise his voice. Honestly, I swear it's the same guy. We've said it already. You've seen my undignified attempt to get in. You've got to bring beach shoes because this stuff here, this is no joke. Particularly when you're trying to get up the slope.
Let me show you how it's done.
Liam's going to show us how it's done. This is how the Brits do it. I'm following him in. Oh, I hate it when he does things really well. He's gone straight in. He did. Joanna, he does that all the time. He does things perfectly and it annoys me. You're doing it as well? Go on then, let's see your attempt. This is Joanna's trying to make it look glam. Oh, a little stumble there. There you go. If you can do as good a job as Liam and Joanna, then you're doing well. Right, we've stopped at this little place on the square. Just this building right here, I think, actually, that we're sat next to is the cathedral. So we're sat here. We're having a little bit of dinner. We've got ourselves some menu. Every time we come past this place, it's buzzing. Right, we're a little bit early right now. What's the time? It's 6:20. And people in France don't have dinner till 8, 9 o'clock normally. That's when it gets really busy, but we're a little bit early. But we're going to grab a pizza. Quite fancy a pizza tonight.
I want the mules.
I'm going chorizo, tomato sauce, fromage, chorizo. That's what I fancy. I know it's not particularly French. Well, it's not French at all, but that's what I want. Très bien. Merci.
We got a 2 point.
I mean, you asked, what did you say to him? Multi grande beer.
Multi grande.
That's the tash getting to you, I think.
But I was joking. I was just saying a pint.
You know what I say? When in Rome.
When in Rome, drink big beers.
When in Rome, drink big beers, and we're not even in Rome. Joe, more marinade.
Merci.
This was the place right here on the corner. Absolutely banging pizza and beer. So we found this ice cream place, and if you want a 15 scooper, they got you covered at 24 euros. I'm having dessert by the pool. Liam's asked me to crack this into the vlog, so it's going in. We've got. Maybe should I get him to explain to you what he's made? I mean, what a setting for a dessert on this lovely exotic plate. I'll let Liam explain it to you what we got.
You seeing it? You can see it?
Yeah, I can see it.
So you got crumbed Biscoff.
Yeah.
With some chocolate mousse.
Yeah.
Pistachio crumb.
Yeah.
And bits of Biscoff.
Thank you very much. Looks excellent.
Enjoy, mate.
I will. I'm looking forward to this. Oh, it's nice.
How good is that?
That is good. It's befitting of the setting. While I'm here in the south of France, this right here is how I like to start the day. A little float around in the pool, a little swim, get out, have a coffee, have some breakfast with the guys, and then we head out on an adventure. Not too sure what we're doing today. There was talk of renting a boat, which would be unbelievably fun. We might do that, we might just chill here, might go explore somewhere else. Maybe, I don't know, whether it's close that we haven't been. We've done Villefranche-sur-Mer, we did Aix. Yesterday we went into Nice, and we're actually staying on the edge of Nice, as you'll have seen in the other videos. But there's a chance that we could go to Cannes, it's not too far where the film festival is. We could go to Saint-Tropez, a little bit further away. Monaco, me and Joe have been there before, seen it and done it, ticked it off the list. So not too worried about Monaco, but we'll see where the day takes us. Right now, the day is taking me this way in the pool. We're back in Villefranche-sur-Mer, and we're looking to hire a boat. There we go, boat secured. Just over the road from the boat place, we've got a couple of restaurant choices, so I think we're gonna grab some lunch now before we set sail. 4 hours on the boat, all of us, 180 euros. We've got to come back here at 1:30 and pick up the boat. So looking forward to that. But now, time for a little bit of grub. Joe, they do burgers. I'm not going to get a burger. Joe would definitely tell me off if I was getting a burger here, so I'm not going to do that. But I might get a steak. When in France, it's got to be done. Escargot. Is that right?
Yeah.
And then just pick it out. Let the tongs do the work, man.
Ash is making a big meal out of
I'm
this.
really struggling, man. We're gonna have to, someone's gonna have to do it for me. See it?
Really long video of this.
It is. Yeah. This is how not to do it. I'm going back. I'm going for another one. Yeah, that one. I can see that one. I can see the snail coming out.
Stab it.
I am stabbing it. Oh, there it is. Yes, got it.
See?
Got it.
Explanation.
Easy as that. It's really easy. And it's really nice, but
Stab and
I had to work to get it. The main course is here. Bon appetit. Tomorrow the weather's better, so it's up to you. Oh, so we can't go today? Well, we can, but we have to stay in the bay.
Yeah, but you can't go. It shows you on the map.
Oh, okay. It's a windy day. Might be off. It's a little windy today. You can probably see from there. There you go, look. It's a little bit windy out there, a bit choppy. Might not seem it on camera, but there is a bit of a breeze in the air. So he said you can do it today, but you're only allowed to go like within this bay area here. So kind of all that you can see. And he said the wind's really picking up this afternoon. So he said it's probably better to do it tomorrow when the wind is lower, there's less wind, and we can have a better time and go further. So we're going to book it for tomorrow, and then we're going to do something a little different today. Maybe go back to the beach again. This was a nice beach. This was probably our favourite place that we visited, I think. Joanna, was this your favourite place so far?
yes.
Yeah? Joanna's favourite, I think probably mine as well. It's not so touristy here. We did Eze the other day, and that was full of tourists, like from all over the world, cramming in, trying to get the selfie. I mean, you've got to visit it, of course you do, but if you want a more authentic Côte d'Azur experience, this is the place. So I think we're probably going to hang out here today again and come back here again tomorrow for the boat trip. That's the plan. Joe's got her third inflatable of the trip. She loves an inflatable, does Joe. Liam and Joanna have gone onto the beach to reserve a spot. Let's go find them. Let's get set up. Let's have another day by the sea. Why not? Be rude not to. I've got to wear the hat and the sea today because I've got short hair now. I've never had hair this short before. And the top of your head gets burnt, and I'm getting older, so my hair's thinning out a little bit. So the top of my head feels a little bit burnt. So I've got to wear the hat at all times. I think this is my favourite place in France. I'm calling it. And we've been to some beautiful places. But for me, this is number uno. No, this is numero un. Right, we're sat somewhere over there, but we've taken a little stroll. We're going to go around the bay, see what we can find. There you go, we've walked around. We found a little beach club here. That's what happens if you keep walking. You find these little gems. That's where we started out, right round the bay there.
Yeah, right.
It's not bad, is it?
Not this one, that one.
Yeah, not this view, that view. That's the one you want to be looking at. Unbelievable. Very special. I think I might become, you know, people go to like the same place every year. I think that's going to be me. I think I'm just going to come here. We found a little private cove. This is cool, isn't it? This reminds me of that one in Cornwall that we went to, the nudist beach.
Like the nudity?
Without the nudity. Right, we're clambering across the rocks now in order to get the photo spot. I don't know what this place is called, but there's Villefranche. We walked all the way around, followed the bay, followed the beach, and then we've come to these rocks here. And this, if you want to get an Instagram post, this right here, you don't want your normal glasses on, you want your shades on, and then this is the place for a banging Instagram shot. I think this might be my favourite place in the world, this little town by the beach, you know? I'm not thinking about work, I'm not thinking about anybody, I'm just thinking about having a relaxing time with my friends. Oh, got to watch your footing. It's honestly, it's been good for the soul, good for the soul. I moved the camera closer then because it was windy. I want you to be able to hear me say that. This trip, good for the soul. I spoke too soon. I was sitting here sunbathing and I said, oh, the sea here is not very tidal. It never comes in. Within minutes of me saying that, in it came, got my towel and my shorts all wet. I'm sitting here having a bit of wine and just chilling. I can feel a stone hitting me in the back. I know he's up there. I don't even need to turn around. I know he's up there.